Alright, so we'll come through here and we'll put the wires back on. Okay, once you've got your element back in, you got it snugged up, then you route your wires so they're inside where the old cover went. And then we line the cover back up, and we put the cover back on. Put all your screws back in it, and then we'll put the the anode rod back in. When we put our anode rods in, you have to use pipe dope on them. I would suggest over using Teflon tape, because the Teflon tape, unless you put enough of it on there, it does not seal very well. Then you'll get that little drip coming out of your drain plug anode rod all the time. So we'll put our pipe thread sealer on there, stick it back in the hole, get it lined up. Now it's got tapered threads on it, so you don't have to tighten it super tight. You tighten it up until it bottoms out, and then stop right there. Then you put your water pressure on it. If you got a little drip, then just snug it up a little more. But if you over tighten this, you can actually crack this flange where the anode rod goes because of the tapered threads, and force yourself to have a new water heater put in. So we'll get this tightened up, snug it up, and that's how we replace an electric element in a hot water heater.